Umuthi ari muthenya wa gukungwira muthi wa aruti wira kaunti itiganite ni ikungwire mambura maya ona gutuika ni kumana na namba nini muno ya andu aria mekwiyumiritie guku icigo imwe ikiaga mundu ona umwe witikirire kwiyumiria mambura-ini maya. Kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ni imwe ya iria ikungwire mambura maya ona gutuika namba ya andu aria meyumiririe yuma thi muno kiharo-ini giki kia Furaha, undu uria utanakenia atongoria a ciama itiganite cia aruti wira.
Most employers do underemploy. They underemploy, and therefore there are not enough workers to man the workstations.
Anguka barabarani inaweza kuiondoa.
Maundu matiuma ngurani kaunti-ini ya Mombatha kuria namba ya andu aria mekwiyumiritie yuma thi makiria gukiaga mubunge ona umwe kuma mwena uyu ugwikinyitie mambura-ini maya, undu uria mwandiki munene wa kiama gia Kotu mwena wa gicua-ini Gideon Mutiso aumenereirie na njira nene.
Kule Homa Bay wameenda, lakini wa hapa wana mazoea. Si huyu mkubwa wao ni nani hapa?
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Murang'a maundu matiuma ngurani kuria atongoria matiganite mwena uyu moritie thirikari kugacirithia githomo mwena uyu iri ta njira ya kwandandura mieke ya mawira.
Bashiria batarania cia training ya technical training no 56. Nekuga you are fully taken care of. School fees yothe no gatigwo na pocket money ya 14,000.
Proven that this money is important. And I am begging you, the president is committed. Our problem is parliament. Help us, Mheshimiwa, because you're a seasoned politician. Because there is no competition with an MP getting money or a women rep or a governor or it doesn't matter. Because all that money goes to the grassroots. So I'm asking you to up this fund.
Tukimurika kaunti ya Uasin Gishu maundu mauma ota uu kiharo-ini giki gia 64 Stadium namba ya andu aria mekwiyumiritie yuma thi muno, undu uria mwandiki munene wa Kotu wa Uasin Gishu Peter Odima aumenereirie na njira nene. Ribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.